Jasmine with WTI, and this is my son's favorite sippy cup from Munchkin.
This is the Munchkin Miracle 360-degree glow-in-the-dark sippy cup. It has a camping theme and it's so cute. When it glows in the dark, all the stars and constellations light up. It makes it easy to find for your little one at night if they keep it next to their bed. This sippy cup holds 9 ounces, which is great because you don't have to be refilling it all the time. It's a good size. And I love the 360-degree feature. He can grab it anyway and drink out of it like a regular cup, but he still has to suck to get the water out. It's a really good transition sippy cup. It's also spill proof, which is always great with a toddler. And there's only 3 parts to it, so it's also really easy to clean.
So if you're in the market for a sippy cup for your little one, definitely check out this one by Munchkin. It works really well. It's glow in the dark, which is so much fun and convenient at nighttime. You're gonna love it, and so will your little one, and that's my point of view.